All right, guys, this is my review of the GoWISE digital air fryer. First of all, my name's Matthew Paul. I do I help Amazon customers make informed buying decisions on products I have firsthand experience with. You can say hi to my buddy Peyton right there. This is the GoWISE air fryer. It is big. You've got a lot of space to cook whatever you're doing, whether it's French fries or meat, chicken, tofu, frozen vegetables. Literally, you can get creative as you want. And that's one of the things we love about this air fryer. We use this thing every stinking day. First of all, you just plug it in and then you can actually pick different types of products. So it has presets, which is cool. You can also change the temperature very easily. You can also change the amount of time very easily. Let's start it just so you can hear it. That thing gets going and it cooks. I mean, dude, we come up with creative things to cook in here just because it's such a fun appliance. Give this a shot. I've had this one. Man, I feel like I've had this for probably 4 to 5 years. It could even be longer than that, but probably 4 to 5 years. And it has lasted, it's easy. I mean, it's going to keep going. We have had no problems with it at all. Highly recommend it. I think once you get this, you're just not going to need another air fryer. And it's got such a big base right there. You can get creative with what you put in there. It's massive. Enjoy.